Hi guys, this is Jill Richmond. I'm going to show you one of my favorite math websites. It's called Study Island, and my district uses it in their elementary with the 3rd through 6th students, and I think our middle school uses it as well. You are looking at my daughter's homepage right now. We have not assigned any of our students to a teacher right now, so her page would look a little bit different normally. This would be her home page. You could see how many ribbons she's earned. I'm going to click on this Nebraska programs though, and you can see that you can choose their grade level, and then you can either choose math or ELA. The blue words are all the different topics that she could work through. When you click on a topic, you can, let's see, I'm going to click on compare whole numbers. It'll say lesson, flashcard, practice, game mode, and printable worksheets. We have our students click on the lesson first, and that will take them through and teach them and reinforce their skills. Then they click on finish, and it'll take them back. And then we have them do the practice, which is the questions. When you click on the correct one, you push submit. It'll give you a little bit celebration. You can go on to the next question. If you click on the wrong answer, it will give you a little explanation, which I think is pretty cool for this website. When they're in the middle of a website, you can just click Save Session, and then they can come back when they have more time. So this is one of my favorite websites just because it has math and ELA in the same spot. Thank you.